Welcome, everyone. We are here, me, Ronali, and Efren Runyon. We are here to show you how to create games with AI. We are working with a platform called Rosebud AI, where it simplifies game and web development. And we're excited to show you what we've shared. Here is the platform AI, and here are a bunch of categories that the platform has been popular for making. We have some AI characters, we have some community templates, and most importantly, we have education templates, which are things that we are very familiar with working with. Efren, would you like to share an example that you've made using Rosebud AI?
Of course. So I've created a game in just 5 minutes, or I would say even less, without even any, kind of putting myself in that perspective of not knowing coding and know the basics of prompt engineering for prompting with AI. So I just wanted to show you a game that I created, and then we're gonna go from scratch.
Cool.
How's that sound?
That sounds really cool.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, let me go share my screen. Okay. So we're gonna start here. Create with Rosebud. So I want to create game, a game like Mario, which a lot of people are familiar with. So here we have it just loading in just a bunch of gibberish for those that haven't coded before any type of game, maybe just simple like HTML on websites and all that, but this is coding for games, so there's a lot of mechanism of building with controllers and all that. Oh, okay. So right now it's building the asset. Hey, we got okay. Now I will modify the game code. So right now it's creating the assets. So I'm assuming the assets are, so it's creating it. So right now I think it's creating. Okay, so we're gonna apply that right here. Look what we got.
Nice.
Okay, so we got the basic jumping and going over. Here we go. It's a little glitchy. The concept of like trial and error. Right now, this is what we got, and then you just keep prompting it to make it even better. So, what is a simple? Hey, let's make it a learning game. Let's add coin items. The character can pick up. Okay, so I like how it actually gives you an overview of like what it's trying to do, and is just basically trying to help you just go through this whole thing very smoothly. So here and then it gives you actually at the end what was changed. The coin will disappear, and then I guess that's my asset. Those are my items. So we didn't give it a specific of what the item would be. So like I could change it. Oh, can you change those items into stars, or something? And then hey, let's say every time I pick an item, let it ask me question about um basic business, I guess. Let's see what it says. I'm trying to prompt it as if like, oh, I don't know what I'm talking. But you're just testing it out. And what I like about it is that you actually playing it in real time,
Hmm.
and then let's see what it says, and see what it does. How do you like it so far? I
I love
mean,
it. It's
I
super
didn't
cool.
I didn't expect it to be already straightforward and make it like a Mario game.
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll see. So it always takes a few seconds, and then it gives you what it's doing. Oh, return on investment, B2.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so we collected items. It says what is a KPI, and then key performance indicator and knowledge, and then you pick something. Right now, it doesn't score me anything or anything. It's just
Mhm.
it has a basic of if I touch an item, it will tell me something about a basic business. Back to
Mhm.
business or business to business. So it'd be business. So yeah, that's how simple it is. The more specific or the more you keep prompting, the more you can make this game even better. So over time, it will teach you how to code by you taking the time to going into the codes and making changes however you want, and it will teach you how to prompt, become an expert in prompting, because
Mhm.
now you know how to be specific of what you want. So yeah, that's from creating it from scratch. What was that in like about 5 minutes,
Yeah,
minusing all the coding. But yeah.
that was really fast. Very cool. And I will show everyone another way where you can create a game. If you don't want to create something from scratch, you can also, let me present my screen. So if you don't want to create something from scratch, you can also do this thing called remixing, which is where you find templates and you just basically edit it. So they have the assets and you just want to kind of just reuse it and customize it to your own liking. So this is one that I already made. So kind of similar, it's a 2D game. This is a more gamified version where you use your controls to move to objects and you score points upon each encounter. So in this game, you're pretty much an alien. And as you get closer to a planet, you learn more information. Saturn, and then you can also learn about Venus,
That's cool.
Jupiter.
It looks like
Congratulations.
Space
This is all
Invader.
planets. Yeah. Super easy. So it's just another fun way to gamify really simple widgets. And yeah, this was very easy to make. I just did this in a few minutes. And Rosie, the AI, did all the work as well. So there
Awesome.
you have it. You have some options. You can learn to create from scratch, and you can also remix it using templates. We encourage you folks to try Rosebud AI and learn more about prompting. Any final
Yes.
thoughts, Efren?
Yeah. I mean, if you want to experiment and you want to be an expert in prompting or coding, I think this is the best place to go, because you get to code whatever you prompt in real time, and then it's like learning something at the same time. So you're like building it, and then you're just playing it at the same time, and then you're gonna learn how coding works by seeing those prompts come up. It's just, I think this is actually a fun way to code, learn how to code.
Yeah,
And then you can put this as a list of in your book that you've learned
right.
how to code and build games.
Exactly. You can add it to your portfolio.
Yeah, so I would suggest jumping in, just experimenting, testing it out, and just be explorer
Yeah,
and do it. Yeah.
great advice. Again, it's Rosebud AI. Check it out, guys. And thanks for tuning in.
All right.
Bye.
Bye.